The Lake District in England boasts breathtaking landscapes including picturesque lakes, rolling hills, lush valleys, and towering mountains. Its diverse and captivating scenery draws visitors seeking to experience the beauty of nature. The area's historical and literary heritage with connections to renowned writers like William Wordsworth, Beatrix Potter, and John Ruskin has contributed to its popularity. These writers were inspired by the region's beauty and often depicted it in their works. Located within a few hours' drive from major cities like Manchester and Liverpool, the Lake District offers an easily accessible escape from urban life. We plan a 3-day trip to the Lake District and book a 300-year-old traditional farmhouse B&B located in Keswick Town in Lake District. This farmhouse is surrounded by beautiful valleys and breathtaking scenery. We choose this B&B because we think Solomon will have a great time playing with sheep and other farm animals. They provide a comfortable room with all amenities and awe-inspiring views. It's an old traditional 17th century farmhouse full of character with beams, rustic doors, wooden floors, wooden furniture and antiques. This is the first time ever we are staying in such an old building. We enjoy breakfast in the morning and tea in the evening, both included, and they also offer self-catering facilities. We definitely love our tea with traditional oatmeal cakes. The peaceful ambience of the Lake District makes it an ideal place for relaxation and rejuvenation. Visitors can enjoy the tranquility of the lake shores, the calming sounds of nature, and the serene countryside. The view from the farm is breathtaking, so we decide to stay on the farm today and explore the surrounding areas.
I'll let it go, I won't be able to catch it again, so it's lost its moments. It's fed with a bottle.
Solomon, sheep.
Okay, say bye-bye.
We are in Keswick Market for lunch, where we are having some gluten-free fish and chips which we have never heard of before. The evenings are a bit chiller here, even in the summers. We begin our day with a traditional English breakfast and a cup of tea. Today our plan is to visit Windermere Lake, which is located 4.6 miles away from the farm. The drive is truly spectacular, offering breathtaking views and magical scenes of towering mountains with grazing cows and sheep scattered throughout. While the drive usually takes around 20 minutes, it might take a bit longer due to the captivating distractions along the way. We make a brief stop midway to appreciate the beautiful landscapes and stunning views. We have arrived at the Buttermere Lake site. After parking, it's a 10-minute walk from the main parking area to reach the lake site. Buttermere Lake is a picturesque body of water nestled in the Lake District National Park in the northwest England. It is known for its tranquil body and unspoiled surroundings. The lake is approximately 1.25 miles long and a half mile wide, making it a relatively smaller compared to some of the other lakes in the region. Despite its size, Buttermere is famous for its crystal clear waters surrounded by steep fells and lush greenery. The region around Buttermere Lake offers excellent opportunities for hiking and walking, with various trails catering to different levels of experience. One particularly popular trail is the Buttermere Circular Walk, which takes you around the entire lake, offering stunning views of the landscapes. We avoided that area as not stroller friendly. The serene atmosphere and the natural beauty make Buttermere Lake a favorite destination for those seeking a quieter, peaceful and more idyllic escape within the Lake District. Characterized by traditional stone-built houses, a small church and a handful of accommodations, the village displays a peaceful ambience. We have decided to visit Windermere Lake in the Lake District on our third day, which is the largest lake in England. It is located 32 miles away from Buttermere Lake. Once again, it is offering a stunning drive with mesmerizing views. After a bit of struggle, we find parking. Due to the sunny day, this place is packed and crowded even on a weekday. Windermere Lake, located in the Lake District National Park in England, is the largest natural lake in both in Lake District and in England. It stretches over approximately 11 miles in length and has a maximum width of about 1 mile. lake is known for its picturesque beauty, surrounded by rolling hills, woodlands, and charming towns. Visitors can take cruises on the lake to enjoy the stunning scenery. We are taking a cruise from Bowness Town to Ambleside Town, which cost us £20 per person, and there's no ticket for Sulaiman, which is great. There are different types of vessels, and a ticket price depends on the vessel's type and speed. We chose a cruise which is double-deck boat with comfortable seating area and a small cafe. Most people prefer to sit on the upper deck to enjoy the best views and sunny weather. In Ambleside Town, there are fish and chip shops, other takeaways, and souvenir shops. It was an amazing experience to enjoy fish and chips with stunning views. The views were even more magical on our way back to Bowness Town. Windermere Lake has a rich history and has been a source of inspiration for numerous writers and artists. The beauty of the lake and its surroundings has contributed to the Lake District designation as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. We believe that the Lake District is certainly not overrated, and you need at least 3 to 5 days to explore and enjoy the most of it. This is our third trip to the Lake District, but we never had the chance to explore it like this before. We hope you have enjoyed our video. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next time.